On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Did I fix it? Streamlabs, behave yourself, Streamlabs. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Alex O Crypto Show. We had a record number of people on the show yesterday. 171 beautiful souls coming through, checking out the show. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. We're here all week, and we're here for you guys. We've got the Streamlabs hopefully fixed. We'll have to see. And a little bit of a retracement. We were talking about that this morning. Now, if you are part of the Otter Gang and part of the Alex O Crypto channel, you would know that we do make market update videos looking for a little bit of a rejection off of a trend line coming down to a key buy zone. Now, we have definitely come down to that key level. And we're going down to that key level. What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. It is a Thursday. We had Jerome Pow coming through, pumping, dumping. Who knows what Jerome Powell is up to? But it's been an interesting day. But we got a whole bunch of people here we have to say hi to because that's how we roll here on the show. Boom, boom, boom. Crypto Wanderer, what's up, everyone? Smash the like on the way in. What's up, buddy? Hope you're doing well. Jorn Besser, what's going on? Mascot StarCraft 2, ready for the live. Can't wait. Up only. No nos. That's the way. What's going on? RS Miller, hope you're doing well. G Corp, only up indeed, guys. Otter gang. Caffeinated Crypto, what's going on? Tony Soprano, what's going on to the mods? Alexandra G. Hot Old Crypto, hope you're doing well. Bully Barry in the chat. The Cut, what up, Otter gang? He says, C. Morlini Cabrera. Let's go. Darren does things. I'm here just finishing putting bed together. Yeah. We've been doing a lot of work, guys. I'm going to have some more updates for you. I've been sharing the renovation with you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. We've been crazily overworked, but yet we still show up for you guys, man. We still show up for you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're going to jump into the charts. We're going to jump into Bitcoin. But first, guys, everybody's so scared of Ethereum, right? Ethereum, all these new things going on about Ethereum, okay? because the SEC won't let me be, right? The typical SEC, right? People with a portfolio of 0.2 ETH seeing the SEC investigation. That's me. What's going? So guys, just to like kind of put the FUD at bay. Okay, guys? FUD, Ethereum. But guys, BlackRock. Okay, BlackRock unveils the BUIDL tokenization of assets fund on Ethereum. You think BlackRock, out of all these people, BlackRock, okay? We're talking BlackRock, okay? We're talking practice, okay? We're talking about practice. BlackRock. You think BlackRock is going to let them mess around with Ethereum? He's going to be like, hey, Gensler, here's your little perky things between your legs, and we'll put them in my purse. Bloop. And BlackRock. Okay, so don't worry about your Ethereum bags, guys. BlackRock's in. Your 0.2 Ethereum is safe, in my opinion. Okay? That's all I'm saying. I ain't a news guy. I trade the charts up and down. Tony Soprano knows. Practice, man. Iverson, my favorite player of all time. Practice, man. We're talking about practice. So don't worry about Ethereum. It's coming down. I got a buy level for you guys, okay? Here's your buy level. Buy the BlackRock dip, okay? 33. Let's make it 3 straight across. That's some 333 stuff, you know? I know Lifer likes his 333s and all that good stuff, so. What's going on, Jeanette? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Alexander G. David Bumbalo. Vita 365. What's going on? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Guys, please let me know in the chat what altcoins you would like me to go through, because I would gladly like to go through your altcoins for you. And today I'm going to ask Tony if he would tally them up and share it in a message. I would greatly appreciate that, guys. But let me know what altcoins you guys are looking at. And don't worry about your beautiful Ethereum bags, okay? Going over here, we can see that we have an example of my bank and my crypto wallet, okay? You see, this guy, he's very Jason Casper-esque at the top, okay? He's got those guns, man. He's like, this is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Stop whining, okay? This is Arnold. He's got your crypto wallet up here, and then he's got these little pencil legs. You know, pencil necks. Well, don't be a pencil neck. Crypto Face. Shout out to Crypto Face. Shout out to the Market Cipher sponsor we have here. But look at these little, you know, this guy only arms and chest all day. Maybe a little bit of back. Okay, so this is what I think a lot of people's. I mean, what are you going to do? Are you going to invest your money, or are you going to try to make your money work for you? That's what we're here to do. Okay? Now, another interesting thing. I don't know. I was on one today and I found all these things for you guys. Guys, Solana leads with 49% of interest in blockchain ecosystems. Solana's crushing everybody. This is interesting, okay? Crushing. 49, half of all of blockchain interest, okay? This is wild, okay? ETH, 12%. Guys, this is pretty crazy. There's so many blockchain ecosystems to be a part of, man. Holy smokes. Solana keeps crushing it, right? Keeps crushing it. Pretty wild here. So what do we got here? Guys, I gave you this buy level this morning. So if you are part of the channel, you know that I do the update in the morning. We were talking about this resistance line. Thank you very much, Tony Soprano, my man. Thank you so much, my man. You know, did you guys, I think Tony Soprano is like the oldest, him and Sniper's Nightmare is probably the oldest Otter Gang member. I think Tony Soprano's numero uno, though, because Sniper's Nightmare takes a lot of breaks. Tony's only taken one long break and he came back with vengeance. My man. Shout out to Tony Soprano for always supporting the channel, man. God bless you, bro. I appreciate you more than you know. So, this was the setup this morning. Given in advance. You had to wait till now to take it. We'll see how it works out, okay? You want to see confirmations down at this level. You want to make sure that you are totally rocking and rolling, okay? And where would you get that confirmation? Somewhere on the lower term time frames here. You can see you're getting lower lows, higher high here. I would wait for a retest. You're getting a little swing failure pattern right now, coming back, retesting some of these things. So you want to be cautious right now. I would like to see this high taken out. Okay, I would like to see, a little bloop and bloop, okay? And then you're looking for your entry here. Until then, we wait. We wait and we be patient because we could get a bullish divergence on market cipher. So that's something to keep in mind where we are at right now, okay? So possibility we could get a little bit of a pump, okay? You definitely OG, Poyo. Lunar Beach's crypto is too, yeah. You guys are all family, man. That's the one. That's the one. Brewberry's in the chat. Brewberry, this guy has been so hard at work, man. Look at this guy. He has pumped out so many charts for you guys. You guys are so spoiled with his TA. Look at this guy. This guy's just a boom, bloody, beautiful trading machine, bro. Look at this. I mean, can you get right? And he always he's pretty quick to answer. He's back from vacation. I hope you're feeling better, Mr. Brewberry. There's the setup this morning. Two levels, okay? This morning. With the update video. Kyle, same thing. You guys getting spoiled, man. This is the best Discord around. It's free. It's free. Okay? Lunar Beach's crypto. Hey, man. You got to post something, man. It's been too long. Since March 16th, I'm gonna delete your channel, bro. Oh, that's a threat. We can't be threatening people here. Let's got to behave ourselves, okay? Can we get a hoya? Says Ty Fox. What's going on, man? Hope you're having a wonderful day. So what are we looking for here? We're anticipating a green dot on the daily. I'm finally feeling good. That's great, man. I'm glad you're feeling well. I'm glad you're feeling well, man. It's important. Health is wealth, baby. So, with the daily, oof, look at this. Big engulfing candle, okay? Look at this thing. This is massive, okay? Engulfing the previous. Very bullish looking. A retest and a continuation sounds good to me. Guys, this is like, guys, you are getting 10% moves in a day. You get on the right side of the trade, you're making money. Okay, you're making money. And we had the trend line here, the rejection level. It's all there for you, right? And these are beautiful days with volatility like this. Pay yourselves, give yourself enough room with that stop loss. You guys should be making bank, okay? You guys should be making bank. I've been busy doing renovations, so you guys should be crushing it. However, looking at the 12-hour now, we are starting to flatten out, okay? This is a good sign here, looking at the VWAP coming down and the posturing to the downside. And what do I mean by that? We got posturing of the stochastics and everything to the downside, coming to the zero line alongside with money coming out, okay? So this is a concern for today, okay? Because you can see that we are stepping down a bit. However, we'll have to wait for the reaction off the zero line on the 12-hour. That's going to be indicative of what is yet to come, okay? So keep your eyes on the prize. Let's go over to the 8-hour. Curving up. Okay, so you're going to get a front run here. And we were talking about how do you front run other time frames? Well, you go to shorter time frames and you look at the behavior that they are doing because they print candles quicker than the longer term time frames, okay? Therefore, you get an idea of the direction of the longer term time frames because the shorter term time frames print more market cipher versus a daily, right? You want to know when this green dot's coming? Well, you can look at the 12-hour. You can see the green dots here, right? Then you can go into the 16. Green dot, yeah. 20, yeah. Daily, not yet. So we're anticipating a green dot with posturing to the upside, right? And that's just it, right? And we know that we're getting a green dot because you can't have a red dot and a red dot after one another. You have to have a green dot next. We're just anticipating that, and then we front run it with shorter term time frames, okay? Going into the 4 hour, what do we see? We see this beautiful, beautiful top here, okay? We can see there's a beautiful trend line coming down. We can also see that we got rejected off the point of control. Naturally, you would think we would bounce off of this value area low. That is not the case in my opinion. You see the shelf here. We talk about shelves. We pull up our levels, okay? Look at this. We got a beautiful shelf a little bit higher here, okay? So that's where I'd be looking for a possible bounce, okay? We've come down to this area. We have not bounced perfectly, but we are very close to 63, I'd say 63, 800-ish area, okay? We want to be watching this area very closely. Ty Fox has been watching you for a while. Mental health through this week is good. Though this week is good. Let's get these trades. Awesome, Ty Fox. I'm very grateful for you watching the channel and supporting us. I definitely appreciate your support, man. Tradefly in the chat. What's going on? I played the 50/100 SMA on the 4 hour yesterday. Nice little short. Mr. SMA, smooth moving average, guys. I use the EMAs on a trend. So when we're trending, I'll use the EMAs on the very short term time frames to help me get into some nice entries. But you can see even here on the 4 hour, the 55 EMA has been holding us nicely as well. Holding us down, okay? Get down. Stop whining. Just press the like button. Stop whining. There's 77 people. Only 36 likes. All right? So looking at this now, rejection from this trend line, okay? But what do we see, guys? What do we see? Do we see it? I see it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Inverse head and shoulder. Do 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 do. Inverse head and shoulder. Do 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 do. Meet me at the. Do 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 do. Boom 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 boom. Everybody dance now. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we got the buy level inverse remix. Boom, 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 boom. All right, I'm having too much fun, man. You guys are getting me all hyped up, man. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Wu-Tang, Wu-Tang. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. That's enough out of me, man. I was having too much fun. All right. Sometimes we got to break it down for the new people, man. So what is concerning about this? The 4 hour, guys, money is coming out. Okay, so that's something to watch here. We want to front run the money coming back into the market. However, it has trailed out here. VWAP's crossed the zero line. We got a little bit of a trigger to the downside. Okay, so when you're oscillating one way or the other, when you get these little pop-ups, these can be actually pretty strong. So we're watching this in the near future. This should be kind of confirmed within the next 8 hours, next 2 prints. So that would be interesting to see. And you can see we have posturing to the downside. However, it is still in the green. So let's definitely be watching this. So 4 hour, cautiously optimistic, okay? But look at the bounce we're getting off of that buy zone, guys. Like, bang! Holy smokes, Batman. We're all the way up 2% already. Already, guys. Wow. Holy smokes, okay? Alex O Crypto, now I know how you celebrate a win with a bit of beat box. Listen to the beat box. Listen to the beat box. Beat box. So we're getting a nice bounce right now. So this could be the start of that head and shoulders. And what we were saying on the short-term time frames, we wanted to see the high taken out. Well, guess what? The high is getting taken out. So now we wait for the retest, right? The retest and back up. Okay, so that's what we're looking for now. Massive move off of this area and looking to push upwards. Okay, so very, very cautious right now. Recovering halfway up. Money flow needs to switch. Okay, so we can see the 3 hour pushing down as well on the money flow. We got to watch where the money is flowing, guys. Now, this is better, is that we can see on the 2 hour, we got money kind of trickling and coming back in. Okay, beautiful posturing on the VWAP to the upside. So this is telling us possibly we're going to get a bounce soon. Okay, so that's something to watch as well. And we can see the bounce occurring as we speak, which is actually quite interesting. Now we want to see it support here. We have a key level that it just punched through. Let's see if we get something where we get this continuation to the upside here. That forming the head and shoulders and preparing us for that breakout, right, to the upside, right? So definitely add this trend line up top here. Look for a possible retest. Now, this isn't just like a V-shaped recovery, right? It could happen, but I would like to see something like this and a bullish divergence, okay? That would be beautiful. Will they give it to us? We'll have to wait and see. The pumps seem to be very aggressive, right? Once the pumps occur, they seem to just rocket to the top upside. So we got to be definitely very cautious when trying to change for this. So the major move that is coming is the breakout of this head and shoulders. If it does happen, Mr. Finance Man, that's what the major moves incoming is all about, okay? So if we get this breakout, we're looking back up to all-time highs, right? The measured move of something like this is going to take us above this area here because you definitely measure from here to here. And if you take that and you measure from here, you're definitely hitting, no matter what, you're hitting somewhere above the all-time high, which would put in a new all-time high. So that is definitely, we're not here to clickbait you guys. We ain't here to lie to you guys. I'm honest and transparent with all of my trades, all of my investments. I always share it with you guys. Everything in the Discord is free. I do not want your money. I do not need to sell you anything. I really don't care. I just want to build a community of like-minded traders, helping traders work together to be more profitable, okay? You guys help me as much as I do. I learn by teaching. You guys learn by watching. We all collectively work together, and we make that bank, okay? Look at the people in the Discord. Look at the people who've been here a long time. They know we've never charged anything. All we do is share our charts, share our thoughts, have a good laugh. We're kind to each other, and we continue to grow together. That's what this community is about, okay? It ain't no shill group. It ain't no here to promote BS. It's here to learn, grow, trade, and work together to make more money. That's what it's all about, right? If you guys can show me something and I learn, that's profit. Right? Because I'm going to apply that to my trading and make more money, right? I'm a profitable trader trying to help you guys, and you guys help me in return. So thank you guys. And I learn, like, just from yelling at this camera, and I'm pointing at it right now, I learn more because I'm talking about what's going on in here that's translating in my charts to you guys and sharing my trade strategy. That's what it's all about, guys. So we continue to push for you guys, and you guys continue to support. Givers game mentality. Smashing like buttons, sharing out the videos, all that stuff. You guys do enough, man. You guys give me your time, and I appreciate that. Just a little rant there, okay? So you can see we are pushing up here on the Bitcoin, looking for that push onwards and upwards, trying to get back up within this area here. So we did lose this area of volume in here, and we have come back and retested this shelf down here. So I am looking for a swing failure pattern and then a continuation to the upside. Guys, there's not enough supply for the demand of Bitcoin right now. No matter what you say, it's getting cut in half. April 20th, 19th, 21st, whatever it is, it's getting cut in half, 450 Bitcoin. People are starting to wake up. Retail is starting to wake up, and it's just the beginning, guys. It's going to be an amazing bull run. Let's be prepared. Let's position ourselves as best as possible and continue to make that money, guys. That's what it's all about. So Bitcoin, we're looking for that breakout. We're looking for that bounce. We're also watching this buy zone here. I would look for a swing failure pattern. I'm not jumping into a long just yet. I definitely want to see some confluence that this downtrend is changing. Okay, I want to see something like that. I want to see exhaustion wicks. I want to see a swing failure pattern. I want to see higher highs and higher lows. Look to get into a low, okay? That's going to be confirmation for me in order to get into a long, okay? Very nice bounce so far. But as we can see, we are in a little bit of a downtrend here. You can track the momentum like this, okay? You can see rejection off of that momentum there. You have another trend line here. So you can wait until you work out sideways, break that trend line, and look for that confirmation trade to the upside as well. There's many ways to trade this, but we are in an area where we are looking for a potential long, okay? We're looking for a potential long. And that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Now, I do have a list for you guys on Caspa, near Algo. I'm going to go through that list as well, guys. We can see that Ethereum, same kind of reaction here, popping up, same thing. We have a buy zone at the quadruple threes down here, same kind of idea as Ethereum, as Bitcoin, okay? And same, Solana is definitely leading the way, showing everybody why the adoption is so massive on Solana, doing it all. We had a key sell level here. Look at that, man. That was banger trade. Now, if I were to look at Solana for a trade now, I'd pull a swing low to swing high. Look at that golden pocket bounce. Okay, so now you wait for confirmation of the bounce. Okay, you wait for this. Same thing on Bitcoin. Wait for that bounce, and then you look for that long, okay? That's going to be beautiful if it plays out. But Solana definitely leading the way in adoption. Retro Mike Tech with the $5 super chat. Post halving, I don't send you 1 BTC to get 2 back, right? I only send 0.5 BTC to get 1 back, right? That's the one, man. If you send me 2, I'll send you 0.4. I don't know how that works. Retro Mike Tech, man. Thank you so much for your kindness, man. Always supporting the channel. Guys, let's see some Retro Mike Techs in the chat, man. Pumping it up. Thank you so much for supporting the chat, man. Much appreciation. Much love to you, brother. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Let's go over to Caspa. Okay, Caspa's got a 10% move. Wowzers, okay? And we were talking about a 12.8 buy on Caspa, okay? So this 12.8, you can see right here. 1, 2, 3. So you've had multiple opportunities. We were buying here down around 10 cents. However, you can see it's finally breaking out of this aggressive trend. Now, if there's one thing that has a lot of narrative, it is Caspa. Okay, so this thing isn't even listed on Binance yet. A lot of people super bullish on this thing, and you can see it's having that nice breakout, right? So we have some key levels of support and resistance. Right now, it's trying to flip this 14.7 cents area. Okay, so I'd be watching this closely. However, if we do lose that level, I definitely would be looking at this level to come back and retest before continuing upwards, okay? A very aggressive, nice move for Caspa. However, we just want to make sure that we are being patient with tokens such as this because they're relatively new, right? So we can see here we pull a fib from the swing high to swing low, and you got that 0.5382 retracement level where you can look for a continuation on Caspa. However, there has been a lot of support put in here, so let's see it continue to hold that and continue to pump up. But right now, I'd be patient. I wouldn't be chasing a price. Yes, it's had a nice move. The catch of the move was down here, right, where you had that kind of inverse head and shoulders you can see here, and also you had multiple signs of bullish divergence pushing us to the upside. Anchor trigger, bullish divergence, lower lows, higher highs, right? So very nice move for Caspa, but right now we don't chase running prices. We wait for retest, right? Set the trap, Wait for price to come back to you. I'd be looking around 13.6 cents for the next bounce, okay? What's going on? Look at all those retro mic techs in the chat. What's going on? Candle Daddy, what's going on, brother? Hope you're having a great day. Trade Intuitions here. I just wanted to check over on my friends, our friends over at IB. Did they get their 10K? Did they get there? They did. Congratulations to Investment Bros. 10,000 subscribers. This was the first show I was ever on. Tim does such a good job. And they have a nice morning show. And T-Shroom. It's such a good, beautiful show. These guys are always giving back. Friends of the channel as well, man. They just got to 10K subscribers. Congratulations to them, and also congratulations to Tom Crown, 100,000, man. Doing it the right way, the honest way. That's it, man. That's it. So good to see. Can you give any live trades? Yeah, of course we could do a live trade one day. I let you guys know when I enter and exit. I haven't traded today. I was looking for price to come down here. I gave this trade yesterday from this line here. But yeah, of course, we can always do some live trading if you guys would enjoy some of that. We could incorporate that. Maybe we do that on a certain day. Maybe we'll do like a live trade Wednesday and we can do some scalping or something like that, where we're looking to manage our trades and our positions alongside with you guys, so you guys can definitely see how I do it. Because that's always important, right? Let's go over and take a look at NEAR. Wow, we got quite a list here, guys. So we're going to go over to NEAR. NEAR far wherever you are, the Celine Dion coin. NEAR has gotten a big retracement back down. We had a couple buy levels here that you can see. However, it has come down aggressively after such an amazing pump, okay? And yes, flag push, all the way back up, coming back down to that $6 kind of psychological level. Okay, now it seems to be holding support. So for me with NEAR, definitely going to want to see it. Yeah, I want to see it hold this area here. You can see this is a big area of volume, right? So we want to see it hold this area here. This could be a potential long coming up shortly, but you can see big scam wick to the upside here tells me to be cautious, okay? We can see that there's clearly highs and lows here to be watching, but you can see that we are making a higher low right now. So I would look for continuation on this anchor to trigger money coming back in. This looks typically bullish in my opinion. However, you want to see market structure on a shorter term time frame like the 15. You want to see a higher low and then a higher high, taking out that and continuing up, okay? You do have some resistance here. However, it may hold as support right now. We'll have to wait and find out. But you can see exhaustion wicks to the upside. So cautionary tale for NEAR. However, overall, this is a very good support level. I would bring it down a little bit here just because of where price action is and look for that continuation to the upside. This did not take out that top. So that's very important to note, is that this did not change character, okay? It did not take out this high, right? So you can see this is still a downtrend in the short-term time frame. So definitely patience prevails on something like this. I would look for some sort of swing failure pattern continuation on market cipher to bring NEAR any higher. What's going on, Dave Digital, man? Hope you're having a wonderful day, man. Much love to you, my brother. Much love to you, man. Keep pushing it, man. Dave Digital, always out here crushing it. Being an inspiration, man. Shout out to Dave Digital. Follow him on Twitter. Where's Dave, man? Where are you, bro? Look at Dave. Dave's out here crushing it. Week 20, day 2 complete. When I started going to the gym 21 weeks ago, it felt like a fish out of water. In just a short amount of time, I see my form getting better. My reps are increasing, and I can work with increasing weight. I am not an expert by far, but I can feel the progression. Let's effing go. I already liked it, but I'm going to retweet it. Dave Digital, man. Health is wealth, bro. Great to see you pushing your limits and staying disciplined, bro. Much love to you, bro. That's awesome, man. I love seeing you win, man. I love seeing everybody win here. So keep up the good work, bro. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's go over to Algorand. Algo, baby. Algo, baby. Let's go. Algorand, very choppy, very funny. We haven't looked at this in a while. We were looking back here. So we'll get rid of some of this stuff on the chart. We'll do a reassessment. Now, a lot of these things, guys, have definitely been in this downtrend, breaking out and looking for the retest, okay? That's kind of where we're at with a lot of these. We got that double bottom reversal signal. Now we're looking for the continuation to the upside. So same thing here with Algorand. You have resistance that has played out quite nicely here. So you mark out that. You note where your key level of support is. Now you pull a fib from swing low to swing high, okay? And now you look for that beautiful golden pocket. Look at that, guys. Just matching up very nicely here where we can look to target a possible retracement long coming back down to 23 cents, 23.5 cents, looking for that continuation to the upside. What's going on, Melissa? Hope you're doing well. Much love to you. Paper Planes, what's going on, bro? You guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. So looking for this continuation to the upside on algo. Money's coming back in here on the 1 hour, 4 hours, suggesting a little bit of a cool off. Let's see if you get the VWAP crossover to the downside. Money's coming out. So be cautious here, guys. We are still very oversold. So there is room to the upside. However, you want to see the momentum wave kind of cool off here and continue upwards with a trigger and an anchor wave, or an anchor and a trigger wave to the upside. So I'd be looking for a little bit of a cool off, a bounce, and a continuation here. I don't believe we're going to go straight up right away after this sell-off, okay? This sell-off was aggressive. We want to see that continuation upwards and onwards, okay? Let's see if we get it, but patience will prevail, right? Patience will prevail. Patience will pay, right? So let's continue to be patient and wait for trades to come to us. Going over to Sui. Sui had a heck of a move, okay? Yeah, I was looking at Sui today. I forgot to share this chart in the Discord. However, Sui, choppy, breakout of this trend line, okay? Now it has this upwards trend line. You can even extend this upwards trend line back to this here, and you can see it's continuing up. So I want to see a revisit of either this key trend line that it did break out of, that's at $1.74, or coming back into this area here. Now that we do have a top exhaustion wick, I would be pulling a fib from the swing low to the swing high and looking for that beautiful area. Okay, so that's good there, right? Following the trend line, looking for that continuation to the upside. That's going to be indicative of a stronger move. Sui overall, though, major moves, okay? Very bullish moves. You can see massive pump retracement, massive pump retracement. What do you think's next, right? Massive pump retracement. Chop Sui. Wake up. On our first day, what's going on, Mark Dutch? Hope you're doing well, Mark. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Mihai Constantinescu, what's going on with that with the volcano emoji? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So how are you guys feeling? Like literally, are you guys thinking we're gonna go up? Are you guys thinking we're gonna go down? You guys let me know. I'll ask you in the poll here. Just to see what you're feeling. I'm going to ask you guys in the poll. We got 100 viewers in here. That's pretty wild, man. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. Appreciate every single one of you guys. We're going to see how you guys are feeling, are thinking. Maybe you're thinking, not feeling. Hopefully you're thinking and not feeling. You can't bring up too much emotions, right? Jan can cook. I like cooking. Melissa, don't worry. Sui will retrace and you will be able to buy lower, hopefully. Hopefully. If not, I mean, if you do believe in the project, then just grab some, man. Just grab some. Okay, let's go over to Solana. So we did go over Solana. We can go over a little bit more in detail with Solana here. So we had the sell level. We have the the 618 that it is bouncing off of right now. So this is the buy zone, right? And we were talking about earlier in the stream that we are looking for this retracement here off of the 618 Fibonacci area, right? So you can see here, now I would want to see some sort of swing failure pattern continuation to the upside. Also, on Market Cipher, I want to see the anchor trigger waves. This is a very deep anchor wave, right? Which is typically followed by a nice trigger wave afterwards, right? Can lead to a big move. So we could look for a little bit of a dip here and then the bounce upwards, okay? I got some key levels of support and resistance for you guys just to kind of keep you guys isolated on price so that you guys can be more profitable. But you look at the 1 hour here, guys, and the 1 hour has the VWAP crossover, the bullish momentum wave to the upside, okay? So this looks really, really good. However, the money flow is red. So then you go to the 2 hour. Okay, we've cooled off, but you are getting posturing to the upside here. So that would suggest that we got an anchor trigger wave on the 2 hour, okay? Because we're posturing to the upside here. We got the 1 hour VWAP crossover, okay? So this is how you build confluence with Market Cipher in order to give yourself a better chance, right? VWAP's getting exhausted here. Money flow is still green, okay? So we either look for the retest of the 0 line and the bounce on the momentum wave. The VWAP needs to flatten and posture upwards, okay? These are all things that are going to lead to that move to the upside. You can see when VWAP gets down here, it typically bounces to the upside. So you want to see flattening or you want to see a sharp move upwards like this. Flattening, sharp move upwards, downwards, flattening, upwards, right? So look for that sharpening, flattening upwards on Market Cipher for Solana. Solana's got a great narrative right now, definitely riding this pump and leading the way amongst the alts, okay? Solana has a lot of adoption, so let's continue to try to benefit from the Solana ecosystem and make some money, guys, because this is looking like it wants to continue, okay? Let's go over to ADA. We haven't paid much attention to ADA. Poor ADA. Subtracta, multiplication, all that good stuff. But looking at ADA, had that massive run up, the double top, the drop down, okay? We had two key levels. We gave this long setup from down here at 57.7 cents, guys. Beautiful setup. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 10% move to the upside, okay? Massive move, breaking this downwards trend line. Okay, now we've retested it. We got the point of control coming in at 61.5. Okay, 61.5 cents here. Let's look for that to hold as our support and look for the continuation to the upside. Now, ADA, it tends to consolidate and work sideways before having an explosive move. So we'll look for Bitcoin, we'll look for Ethereum, Solana, even the AI coins and the meme coins have been moving a bit more recently. We'll look for those to lead the way. And then we'll look for ADA to follow, okay? ADA's a little bit slow to the show, but it does respect key levels like we showed you here. So let's look for 61.5 to hold and continue to chop sideways and eventually up, okay? That's kind of where I'm at with ADA. Patience on ADA. I do hold quite a big bag of ADA, but you can see here we are just holding this nice support here, looking to get back up into this 73 cent. But I do believe it will chop a little bit before heading up there, okay? A little bit of patience will prevail, okay? ADA was supposed to be Solana. ICP is pumping. We'll have to take a look at ICP maybe in the place to be. We got to go over to Propy though for our lovely friend Jeanette. I think you said Propy yesterday and I didn't get to it. I'm sorry about that, but we can definitely give you some TA now. Hope you're well, Jeanette. You've been here. You and Melissa have been here forever. Alexandra G as well. Much love to the Otter Gang ladies holding us crazy males down, making sure that we don't look at too much cocky new and irrelevant stuff that's ridiculous, all right? You keep us under control. We need it. We need it. We need it. We need it. Quarter crawler, we did Caspa first. So if you rewind, you'll be able to see the Caspa TA. My man. Okay? And you can enjoy the guys, go back and listen to the beatbox on 2X. It's a trip. I've done it before. So Propy coming up. Okay, well, let's get you some new levels first and foremost on Propy. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to throw a couple horizontals in here with support and resistance matching up. Very nice price action here, holding us down. So we'll add those. Okay, now we're going to look at what's going on. Okay, so we can see that we've broken out of this downtrend here. Now we have flipped this area into our next level, right? So you've pushed up, you've retraced down. Now you've pushed higher, and you retrace down, consolidating. Okay, so you can see there is a little bit of a flag here for a bearish flag. Okay, bearish flag coming down. Okay, but you can also see that you do have some nice support here as well. So let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, that to me is irrelevant. This bottom one. Okay, I would look more for this to be a flat triangle here. So for me, I would look for either the breakout trade or a consolidation upwards. How much is this? 12%. Yeah, that's quite a lot. So let's go into the 30-minute. Let's get you some closer levels here. And you can simply see here, scam wick to the downside. Okay, maybe you missed that. I would track this downwards trend line as well. Look for the breakout of this one. Okay, something like this where you get the breakout, the retest, and the continuation. Okay, otherwise we're looking for a lower low like that with the bullish divergence like this. Okay, something like that where you're getting that swing failure pattern to the downside and a beautiful pop up. Okay, on prop up or pop up on Propy. Pull swing low to swing high. You can see 786 golden pocket bounce, which we normally look for, and a continuation upwards. Now, if you wanted to isolate the price a little bit more, you could pull your volume across here. You can see that there is another shelf matching up with support and resistance here. Okay, and you can look for this to hold as well as you try and hunt for a possible long. Okay, if you're looking for a long, you want to see this $1.17 hold. Otherwise, you're looking for it to fall down and come back to this $1.11, and that should be pretty good for you. If it does just move up from here, that's okay. Look for the retest back down to this level and the continuation upwards. You also have $1.20 as your next level of resistance. So hopefully that helps you. And then onwards and upwards, hopefully it does look like you are making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so it does look like you have that structure. Let's see if it continues to play out, and I hope that helps. Going over to Rune. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys hold Rune. Do you guys like Rune? I do not hold Rune, but I've heard good things about Rune. Okay, we had a whole bunch of shelf leveling here. Okay, very nice, very nice. That seems to be holding out nice. Massive move from Rune. Let's get rid of this big green box and take a look at this now. Beautiful bull flag to the outside. Okay. Filippo Fornia. What's going on, man? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Yeah, very ugly move downwards here for Rune. I don't know how you would descending wedge, maybe something like that. But yeah, coming back down, hitting support here. We have a support here at 830. Okay, Rune does look like it wants to hold 830. That's probably a 0.5, it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, 0.5. So you do have the 618 underneath. I would put my buy zone as per usual somewhere around here with that support being at the golden pocket, right? So that's kind of where I would be targeting a swing failure pattern and continuation to the upside. This is a great move. It's blasted off, taking out previous highs, right? So now that we've broken that structure, reversal, head and shoulders, breakout to the upside, look for that continuation, right? So it's holding here, but I'd be patient and wait for the money to come back in on the 1 hour VWAP crossover, trigger wave or anchor wave here going into a trigger would be more ideal in my opinion. Let's go over to the 4 hour. 4 hour red trigger to the downside. Okay, money coming out. A different sign here. So you want to see something like this continuation with money coming back into Rune. But very nice move. Okay, if you want to add the support and resistance that we have here for you on the sides, just add these levels that are in red to your charts so that you can trade alongside with us. But we're definitely going to be ideally looking for this area here, and then we can track an uptrend somewhere wherever it touches on its way up, and hopefully it continues to make this move onwards and upwards. Okay, that's what I'd be looking for, Rune. Very cautious here. However, very, very strong move. Okay, so a retest, you can see strong up, strong down. Okay, so overall, yeah, you're waiting to come within this big overall macro kind of golden pocket here. We'll have this as our sell wall, just in case, and use these levels as key levels to take profits and to put stop losses as well. Not a lot of people here holding Rune, eh? 111 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Are you guys all wearing tutus? Tutus? Oh man, too good. How about that? Let's go over to Crow. Mr. Crow. Oh man, crypto.com, guys. Crypto.com was suppressed, and then boom, it launched, man. It launched. Okay, so Crow, we were doing Crow TA 77 cents. Whew. Woo-wee. Look at that, man. Nice move from Crow, 2x'd. Okay, boom, boom, right? So for me, it's like, what does history tell me with Crow? Crypto adoption brings it in. Look at that. That is a perfect descending triangle there with the breakout, right? So for me, I would be getting on like the 4 hour here. Let's pull a fib from the start of the move. I'd say that's the start of the move. So we'll go from here all the way up to here. I don't know what I clicked on there. Golden pocket bounce, right? Okay, let's pull volume across for Crow. Shelves, baby. Let's get into the shelves. Then we'll look at market cipher. We want to isolate price as much as we can, right? That's what I'm always doing in order to build confluence for you guys. Okay, you can see touches here. Okay, that's good enough for me. Maybe we'll add one more here. This one's a bit aggressive, man. A very aggressive volume spike. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can get rid of our fib. Big buy zone here. Okay. Getting rid of our fib. Now we have something to work with. Now we can go into market cipher. So we can go into 12 hour. Okay, bullish coming up. Green money flow. Posturing to the downside on the 12 hour. Okay. Money flows red here. Okay, money has come out. We want to see that curvature. Beautiful curvature here. We want to see that coming back in. Red dot on the 4 hour. Okay, very different to what the 12 is suggesting. So we're looking for that to come down, either bounce from the zero line or cross over and give us an anchor trigger wave. Okay, alongside with money coming back in. Until we see that, no trade, right? We're looking for possible longs here. We're in a bull market. We're looking for longs. Okay, we got our big buy zone down below, our macro buy zone. Now we got to pull swing high to swing low, and that kind of matches up with our golden pocket Fibonacci retracement level. Now, we do have some key levels of support and resistance. So we will mark those out, and we can look for bullish divergences or reactions on price on shorter term time frames to help build confluence within our charts. So this would also be here as well. And you're looking for swing failure patterns at these key levels, right? So you're looking for something like this, right? Lower low, higher high. You're looking for wicks to the downside, failure to break through, then continuation with higher highs and higher lows. Okay, you're looking for those kind of reactions on price where you can see that the trend either reverses or breaks down key structures, right? And by doing this, you can definitely give yourself a higher probability trade setup instead of just jumping in and hoping for the best. Okay? Now, we're going to do one more beautiful token for you guys, and then we're going to head out, and that is ICP. ICP in the place to be. Okay, what's up, everybody? My name is Ty My Shoe. Microphone testing. 1, 2, 3. In the place to be. My voice is hurting today. I see you. iCup. Spell iCup. Remember that as a kid? Oh, man. Oh, Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. What's going on, my man? Hope you're doing well. Like what you see, please sub to the channel. And remember to click the bell to get notified when we go live, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We also post typically a morning update video giving you guys the trade setups and what we're looking for every single day. We got a free trade. We got a free Discord full of people giving trade setups. We got 4 great traders there giving not typical signals. Obviously, do your own research, but giving signals nonetheless, helping you guys be profitable. Okay, so ICP on the 4-hour here, we had this key sell level. Okay, massive move up, a big market for ICP. I mean, there's a big, everybody's saying it's the best technology around. Okay, get it? And there's a big community, but we are coming up to that key level, that point of control here that has hopefully been flipped to support. Okay, so nice move from ICP, V-shaped recovery coming up, taking out highs. Okay, this is looking good. We've seen the triple bottom here with the head and shoulders pushing us to the upside and that continuation upwards. Measure move, who cares? Just look at this. We are pushing through and breaking structure up here. We have this area down below us as well. So now what I would be doing is I'd be tracking this momentum to the upside here. I want to see this continue. Any kind of retest, I'm looking to possibly buy. If not, I'm going to go into like the 15-minute. I'm going to try and pull a swing failure pattern here from swing low to swing high and isolate the price even more. And this is matching up quite nicely with my golden pocket 786. And this would be my potential area where I would be looking to buy. Okay, so just setting it up there. And then adding all those key levels of support and resistance to your charts, knowing that we're pushing through. This is the POC. So this is very important for us to get above, right? If we fall below there, it's going to be big resistance. So let's see what transpires in the next couple hours in order for us to benefit from this price action and make some money. Okay, so very nice move for ICP, and hopefully we can continue to see this train ride to the upside. Let's go over to Bitcoin to cap this off, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Bitcoin, for me, we were looking for the buy down here, and we can see that we didn't fully get there, but we said look for that swing failure pattern to the downside. Okay, and we did get that just now. Let's see if it continues to go down. A big rejection off of here. You can track that with your trend line. Beautiful trend line here. Rejection from there. Okay, you want to see a break of that trend, swing failure pattern to the downside, and hopefully a continuation here on Bitcoin for that breakout trade. Okay, patience will prevail, guys. So make sure to pay yourselves. Great market to be trading in. Lots of volatility, lots of movement in the charts. Make sure to use less leverage, less margin. Give yourself enough space on your trades, and make sure that you're using good risk management and hanging out with us in our free Discord and asking any questions you want. Thank you guys so much for being part of the Otter gang. Much love to you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Much love and peace.
Nigga come up better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter.